The windshield washer fluid comes out directly out of the wiper on this BMW iX. That means you can't install any wiper blade on this car as it uses special wipers with low aftermarket support. Of course, BMW will sell you a set for $90 or charge you close to $200 to replace, but we can do this job for under $5 by installing these wiper blade inserts instead. Let me show you how. Whether you're changing the wiper blades completely or just replacing the inserts like I'm doing here, first we have to get to the wiper blades, and as this is a BMW, you can't simply do that. We have to put them in service mode. To enter service mode on this BMW iX, all you have to do is hold the wiper stock down for a few seconds. So I'm just going to hold it down. You can see why I want to replace them. They're kind of scratchy. And then it will stop in the service position. Now we can easily lift the entire wiper arm so we can remove the wiper blade. To do so, we're going to press this button and push the wiper up. Requires some force, but it comes out. And here we can see the electrical connection as well as the fluid lines. And that's one of the big reasons why I want to replace the inserts instead of getting something aftermarket. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me, as this wiper is perfectly fine. It's just this rubber parts that's perished. One thing to note here is you have to be super careful that this doesn't swing back and break your windshield. So I'm just going to put it down onto some soft material here. Of course, this one works exactly the same. Slightly difficult to reach, but shouldn't be a problem. There it is. Obviously, the idea here is to replace this rubber part, and we need to remove this end piece to do so. Now, you can just pull it off, but most likely you will break this little clip that's in there. So what you have to do is lift that little clip up using one of these pick tools. You can pull it up just enough like that, not break it. It will then come off. And now we simply pull the rubber piece out. Just comes out like that. Grab the new one. They just separate like that. And simply insert it. Now, the one I got is obviously too long, so we're just going to cut it off. Just like that. If it needs to be cut a little bit more, well, I can do that, but don't cut it too short. Now we can reinsert this end piece. Just goes like that. Push it in hard until it clicks. And we're done. Now we can reinsert the wiper, making sure all of this lines up. Goes on an angle a bit at first. And you have to sort of wiggle it until it falls into place. Yeah, just like that. Slightly finicky, but not too bad. That's it. This one is done. Now let's do this one. Same way. Here's a hopefully better view of how it goes in. There it is. This one's hard to reach. And done. Back inside, I'm just gonna start the car. Put them back and wash the windshield. Beautiful. No streaks, no noise. Love it. Well guys, I hope this has helped you change the wiper blades inserts on your BMW iX, or at the very least learn the service position and change the wiper blades. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Like the video if you found it useful, leave your comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.